Yo guys, so in this video I'll be giving away a set of clear fender indicators for an Honda EK, as well as I'll be explaining to you guys why I did not make it for the Killarney Motor Show. So please stay tuned. Yo guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video I plan on actually getting some number plates done for the S2000. At the same time I might just pop in by Mr. Late and maybe get his reaction on the S2000, maybe take him for a little bit of a drive too and see what he thinks about the S2000. But yeah guys, without further ado, let's go. Offered him to drive the car, but he doesn't want to drive the car,
which is in.
Yeah, but maybe in future I'll let him drive the car and then he can have like a full overall take on what the S2000 is all about. But yeah, we're gonna go to him now, maybe fit the number plates that we just bought now and add the Velcro. Yo guys, I just arrived to Late Customs. We went for a little bit of a drive in the S2000. What do you think about the S2000? Yeah, but he ended up not wanting to drive it. But yeah, I'm basically just going to give you guys a quick walk around of the cars that are here. Tegan got a new car. I don't know if you guys remember in the previous video when Late bought the 180i, we mentioned that he's going to get a new car. So I'll just show you guys that car and show you guys what the 180i looks like right now. So we'll start off with Tegan's car. This is his new car, new spec. I don't know what the blue is actually called, but it is an original VTEC, and then alongside that is my old 180i. It's looking pretty good. I think they did a flat and polish, so the paint is looking really good. I think he's doing an overall on the engine. You're going VTEC, right?
Prepping for VTEC.
Prepping for VTEC. And this is obviously Shane's girlfriend's car, and then that's Shane's new car. So let me just show you guys his new car as well. You guys have already seen it on his channel, but this is pretty much his car. It's actually very cool because I was actually mentioning to him earlier on that him as well as Jody also bought an FN2. So we pretty much all got our dream cars in the same period, I would say, in months from each other. But yeah, this is pretty much his car. Looks pretty good. And then the S2000 is over there. So yeah, this is pretty much just an update on what is actually going on here at Late Customs. And yeah, you guys will be seeing us do a little bit of more videos together, so please stay tuned for that. But yeah, we are pretty much just gonna catch up and then we're gonna hit the road again. I have my number plates and my Velcro, and maybe late in this video we'll fit it and I'll just show you guys what it looks like as well. Yo guys, so it's been a few days since we've been by Shane and did the plates. It's also been yesterday since I've uploaded a video where I sold my EG. Just want to say a massive thanks to everyone that commented in that video. There's a lot of positive feedback and I appreciate it a lot. And then also tomorrow is my birthday. So at the time of this video, a lot of you guys are not aware that I have an S2000, but if you are following me on Instagram, you would have already seen a teaser. But anyway, in this video, we are fitting the number plates. So how am I basically going to go about it is, I was going to do some measuring, but I do see that there's 2 dots over there. So I'm literally just going to paste the Velcro on there and then paste the plate onto the Velcro so that it can basically stick exactly where I want it to be. Okay, so this is how the front of the car looks. It has these holes over here, so that is actually the main reason why I do plan on putting Velcro over here. So it does kind of close these holes. Obviously in future, when I remove this and have the bumper sprayed and the lip, I will obviously flush everything up. What I also plan on doing is maybe using some hot glue just to tape this up. Because I picked up that this kind of moves. I think it is when I go over a bump or something. And then also on the corners over here, it lifts up as well. So I'm gonna just use some hot glue and maybe just stick it together. As you guys know, I'm not really a fan of front number plate. However, with this car, I do want to drive it more often compared to the EG. So I do want to kind of make it somewhat legal. So I'm gonna add this plate over here in front. This is pretty much what it's going to look like. I'm going to try to make it sit as low as possible, but also just covering these holes as well. Okay guys, so I didn't have a long ruler, so this is how I went about it. Basically measured 15 centimeters over here, added a 10, which made it 25 centimeters, and did exactly the same. 15 plus 10 makes it 25 centimeters, and then just in the middle of that, I think this is about a centimeter, and then I just made a little line in the middle. So what I plan on doing is basically just matching it up over here. Never mind all this other stuff, that was just a failed attempt. Or basically trial and error. But yeah, this is pretty much the center. Does look correct. So I'm just going to paste this onto the car and then it will be pretty much done. Guys, so here's the S2000 being washed. Premium car wash. This is the prices. A lot of you guys might be thinking, why do I always actually wash my car here? The obvious reason is because I somewhat get a little bit of discount for exposure, etc. I have got a lot of guys that have actually asked me to do the same thing at their car wash. So you guys can look forward to that. However, this car wash is very close to me, so that is why I always come here. And they're actually very good, and the pricing is not bad as well. So we're just going to wash the S2000, and then I am going to dinner later, and I might tag you guys along. Okay guys, so I just got back from the car wash. Car's all cleaned up. I'll just show you guys what the car looks like. Then obviously we did the weather strip over here. Does seem like it's coming loose again. I think this needs to be, the lip needs to come off, and then I basically need to either glue it or something onto the lip and then fit the lip again. But like I mentioned, in future I do plan on changing the lip out. And obviously the number plates came out very good. So these are the thick font number plates, which you don't usually get anymore. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please do like and subscribe. Peace. Yo guys, so before we do continue this video, over this past weekend was the Killarney Motor Show, and I unfortunately could not make it. So as you guys know, if I usually attend these events, I hand out some merch, some banners and maybe some parts, etc. So because I was not able to do that, in the future following videos I will be basically giving away all of those things that I was not able to do. One of the things I kind of wanted to give away to someone was these clear indicators. I was actually gonna look for someone that had orange indicators and maybe just tell them, yo bro, here's a set of clear indicators, because I think that these are compulsory on a Honda EK, especially if you already have some semi-clears. So how you guys can enter for this is just comment something in the comment section like STM the world, screenshot it and then send it to me via Instagram, and I'll select a winner from there. And then with regarding the whole Killarney Motor Show, guys, myself and Dane actually prepped the car. I think it was Friday. We had some things done to the car, which you guys will see in a future video. But anyway, on the Sunday morning of the Killarney Motor Show, I picked up that the car was pretty much filled with hair, and the car was kind of like scratched as well. So I looked at the camera footage and picked up that there was 2 cats actually chilling on the car. And I don't know if you guys know, but cats usually sharpen their paws by putting their paws into something, which unfortunately was my roof. I did look at the damage. I'm not quite sure if that was the cat that actually damaged it or if the damage was already there. But it does look like the roof could have been damaged, as well as some paint work as well. So hopefully some polishing or some ceramic coating will actually help with fixing that. But yeah, I'll update you guys with regarding that in future. But anyway, so because the car was pretty much dirty and I was already not in a very good mood, the Killarney Motor Show has a deadline for you to park your car, and I definitely wasn't going to make it. So unfortunately I did not attend the motor show. Apparently it was raining as well, so I do apologize for that, guys. But like I mentioned in the up and coming videos, I'm going to try to basically give away everything that I still have, like banners and maybe some merch, etc. But yeah, I just wanted to touch base on that, guys. But without further ado, let's continue this video. Hello guys, so this FN2 is coming in for a front lip and a Seeker rear wing. From where you guys now again? From where you? Valdrup. So they actually came from very far to install quickly. So yeah, I just have to take a little bit of my time to install this quickly, and then maybe we can end up fitting the forks onto the EG. But anyway, this is the car. We're just going to use some YouTube magic and install the front lip as well as the Seeker wing. Okay guys, so we managed to fit the lip on Buddha's car. This is the Seeker wing, however, and then this is also an SRR lip and a VTEC fin that someone is going to collect. We also have a set of headlights there for Bad Productions. He's going to collect it now. But anyway, I ran out the Seeker flicks, so we're gonna head to Dane, who is also going to allow me to actually drive his FN2. So maybe I'll just tag you guys along and show you guys how his car drive as well. So what are you saying? Anies did the cold induction. And exhaust, where's the exhaust from?
I bought a car with the 76
With the exhaust.
exhaust actually, and I think it's a Viper brand that is fitted.
And you said you recently did the clutch by AJ.
Yes, a clutch. I fitted a clutch by AJ.
So yeah, shout out to all of those guys. Obviously you guys know Anise helps me with a lot of installs. Obviously you guys know AJ. AJ works on Carl France's S2000, etc. But yeah, we're obviously driving Hoodies car now. I'm gonna do a few rips as well. Okay guys, so we just completed the Seeker wing. It's all fitted, and then we have an STM logo here like we spoke earlier on. AJ also has an involvement in this car, as well as Anise. This is Anise's cold induction. This is the front lip. I think he said Vessel also did the clutch. Reflash. So AJ did the clutch, and then this car is also daily, as you can see, has his skid seat in the car. But yeah, I had a drive in the car. Car feels very solid. So shout out to everyone that has an involvement in this car, like I mentioned before. And then in future, me and Boer over there might link up for some more mods as well. But yeah guys, I'm gonna end this section over here. I'm actually gonna go fix the EG and the mag blue wheels, and then me and Danny is going to attempt to fit it onto the EG.
Really take this feel.